Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Delay Spray by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the Delay Spray itself, and this comes in 15 milliliters. And this Delay Spray allows you to delay orgasm so you can keep going longer. It also helps with oversensitivity and can also prevent disappointment in the bedroom. It's a very small bottle, so it's a perfect size and easy to keep in your nightstand as well. Make sure before use to shake really well. Simply remove the cap and spray 2 to 5 times. And there you go. Make sure to pop the cap back on and hear a click. There we go. And make sure to test some of this Delay Spray onto your skin before use. Stop using the spray immediately if you experience any allergic reaction. And that is the Delay Spray from the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.